Good morning, day 48 here on Doxie, Peter and Doxie sailing to Queensland. Here we are in the Gold Coast, on the Gold Coast in southeast Queensland, and exciting morning. I'm about to go ashore and meet a guy who's going to install my new 2 house batteries. So I've got the dinghy all ready with the motor. First time I put the motor on, not on the dock, so yeah, it was a lot easier than I thought. I don't know. I just have this problem basically with doing some things for the first time. Anyway, I will get aboard the dinghy, get myself over to the pontoon there, and wait. Here she is, ready to go. So yeah, I think I've got a routine down pat a little bit now, so it's just a matter of doing these things for the first time and getting a routine that you're confident with. And off we go! Alrighty, here we are at the north end of Bums Bay, next to the water stadium pontoon. Just waiting for the battery guy to turn up, and we'll go back out to Doxie and get that sorted out. Yeah, I can't wait just to have things working normally again. So, and I've got the sun shining on my back, isn't it wonderful? Well, you don't know it is, but it is. Alrighty, just after lunch now. I thought I'd move from Bums Bay. I'm going to head down to Southport and maybe get ashore, just do a last bit of shopping. Just the next few days, I guess I'll be away from any shops or anything. So yeah, just provision up a bit. So still nice and sunny-ish. Yeah, so just heading down the channel towards the entrance of Bums Bay, and that's goodbye to the dogs. Very quiet at the moment, as opposed to the AIS, with boats everywhere. Just making our way towards the main channel now, and then we'll do a bit of a left turn. That's a nice little yacht up ahead. This one is so long and sleek. Incredible. Looking north up the channel, that's the way I'm going. I think I'm probably going to go tomorrow. I'm just going to juggle it with the tides because there are shallow bits around the place. But we're just coming into the main channel. I might actually just dive this way because it's a bit deeper and shorter. And that's the buildings of Main Beach up there in the sunshine. SeaWorld over there, SeaWorld Nara or SeaWorld Resort or whatever they're calling it these days. Alright, had a nice catch up there, and yeah, he's just been to Boatworks and had his bottom done on his boat. And sound very reasonable too, so yeah, should give them a call. Anyway, just going to make our way into the channel now. Pleasure craft and stuff coming through, and waves. Yeah, well, here's an activity you can do. Get a good view of the waterways and stuff. Great stuff. Seeing a bit more of SeaWorld now, the amusement part of it at least anyway. I think they've got 2 roller coasters, a metal one and a wooden one. There you go. Don't ask me what the different thrill would be with one from the other. Maybe one's more likely to fall apart than the other one, I'm not quite sure. Anyway, they can keep that. Getting closer to Main Beach. There we go, cheap thrills. The Hopo or Hoppo ferry. Quite sure where, I think that goes from Southport to SeaWorld and various places. Yeah, sure enough, he's going into SeaWorld. Looks like a helicopter fixing to take off. Feeling lucky, people. Okay, new home for the night. Oh my God, how many yobbos can you find in one place? Anyway, main beach. Marina Mirage over there where the sails are. So in there, behind those super boats or whatever, is where we had lunch yesterday. And trawler going out. I think a helicopter was just landing too. I don't know, they keep them coming and going. So there's one on the roof over there, look. Kind of freaky when you're coming in there and a helicopter lands above you. Anyway, I'm going to go ashore now here at Australia Fair. Whether it is or not, I don't know. They've still got their blow-up water park here back in Gosford. That's been up for ages. Taken in for the winter, of course. Here they pretend they don't have winter, which in most cases they're probably right. So, yeah, just looking towards, I guess, Labrador or wherever up there. Not Canada, it's not that far-sighted. Anyway, I'm going to go ashore now that I've got the outboard going. Nobody's business now, here, there and everywhere. Okay, got all that secure, hopefully. That's why I got the tunnel built through the seat there, basically, so it fixes to the hull itself, not just some fitting which can be broken or unscrewed. Anyway, there's Doxie out there. And I will go and do some shopping. Well, that was an exciting day for me. Yes, started early with the batteries and those replaced. They're chewing away nicely now. Well, they're not chewing, but whatever it is batteries do. Regurgitate, maybe. Yeah, so I've had the fridge running, which I haven't had for a while. And I've actually got the lights going. And I'll put an anchor light out tonight. So yeah, just going in easy, just to see how it performs. But yeah, so far pretty happy. So once that was done, as you saw, I left Bums Bay, and I've come over here to Anchorage, just at Southport. Literally just offshore from the Australia Fair shopping centre, not because I love shopping centres. If you know me, you know the answer to that one. Yeah, so just stocked up a bit, got some more wine and other groceries, and just got back on board. It was kind of nice having the outboard again, so yeah, I better just getting used to that one, which is great. So makes it nice and easy, that's for sure. Just remembering to take the cable and the lock and locking it all up wherever I go. But yeah, so far so good. So back on board, time for dinner nearly. And yeah, it's been a great day. The sun was out on and off. I wouldn't say it was a blazingly sunny day, but it certainly wasn't as cloudy and rainy as it's been other days. So that's a win, and I think tomorrow's supposed to be nice as well. Maybe not that warm, but sunny at least, and that's all we want. Well, warm would be good too, but anyway, can't have everything. So far we haven't had much of anything, so a bit of something is certainly worth having. So anyway, without babbling on, thank you for following. I'm thinking tomorrow to head down to Tipplers. Just trying to work out the tides and the wind because everything's against me at most of the day, unfortunately. I was thinking to go this afternoon, but it's just wrong. So there are some shallow patches, even though I don't draw that much. There are some patches where you really got to be having a bit of tide underneath you, as they say. Anyway, let's see what happens tomorrow. But until then, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to. And this is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.